Meaning of Mary Wollstonecraft.
Mary Wollstonecraft. Mary Wollstonecraft.
Mary Wollstonecraft, 1759 to 1797, was a British writer, philosopher, and advocate for women's rights. She is best known for her influential book, A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, 1792, which argued for the education and independence of women. Wollstonecraft was born in London, England, and grew up in a family of modest means. She received little formal education, but was largely self-taught and developed a passion for reading and writing. In her early 20s, she worked as a governess and later as a teacher, before turning to writing as a career.
Mary Wollstonecraft. Mary Wollstonecraft.